If you want to search by image on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then in this case we can use the circle to search feature. So in order to use circle to search, you need to simply press and hold your finger on the home button or the navigation handle if you use gestures for navigation. So let's say I'm gonna open gallery and I have this photo over here and I want to find out what kind of car is this. So what I can do is use circle to search. We can activate it. There we go, and now we can, for example, draw a shape around this toy and try to get the Google search results. There we go. Besides that, if you're looking for visual matches, then of course we can switch over here to visual matches in order to try to find something very specific. And in case the area has not been selected correctly, you can readjust it, of course. You can also tap on the subject instead of drawing a shape, but as you can see, we can also readjust like this. So this is just an example, of course, from the gallery. You can, for example, I don't know, if you find something interesting on the internet, but you are not sure what it is, or if you found a person, you don't know what's the name of the person, you can find out more about it by using the circle to search. So let's say I don't know who that is, and I can try to get Google search results like this. Let me actually readjust it because unfortunately I moved it, and then we have results. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We can go to visual matches again, and that's about it. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.